Better. 1,000 times better. We should try this.
How are you guys?
Hey, how are you?
Oh
my God. Yeah, wow.
Almost like a deep fried cheesecake.
I love that. This one here, I don't know if you can make it out, but it says Ropa Vieja. Let's dig in a little bit more. You know, I always want more bites. I can't get one bite. All right, guys, we're here at the Bazaar Bonanza. And we found this spot here called the Gnarly Cuban. We're gonna check out a bunch of their food here. All right, they have it all here. Let me show you guys.
You can open that if you want.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah.
Look at this. That looks really good, actually. Croquetas. I never had any of this, actually.
Nice. Okay,
No, any of this. Croquetas.
Cuban food.
Yeah, we've only had Cuban pizza. We went to a food truck, Gnarly Cuban. They specialize in empanadas. Let's go through the menu here. Gnarly Cuban empanada. That's amazing. Picadilla, pollo, jackfruit, Ropa Vieja. I'm not a vegan, but not opposed to trying that. Maybe I will. And the pumpkin spice one. Antojitos. White rice and black beans. Pappa Rellena. Croquetas. Oh, look at this. I love guava. Guava and cream cheese pastries.
It's wonderful. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Well, I'm Marley, and then my partner's Nina. Together we are the Gnarly Cuban, so we have authentic little Cuban recipes in Orlando. We're known for our Gnarly Cuban sandwich, which comes in an empanada, so it's almost like the best of both worlds. Tenemos la empanada y después Cuban sandwich, so it's splashed together. Everything that we make is with mucho amor and a lot of everything from scratch too, so everything we make ourselves. And yeah, so we're pretty much growing in Orlando and just kind of getting to know everyone and getting like our name out there. So I would bring our traditional little abuelita recipes, you know, to Orlando. But yeah, cuando quieran comer, aquí con mucho amor.
Okay. And do you normally do like pop-up events, or do you also have like a food truck?
We do a lot of pop-ups around town, and so we do like a lot of markets as well, a lot of breweries, wineries, anything very local. Very local we like to do. We don't have a food truck yet because we're looking for a location.
Okay.
So hopefully you'll be able to come have like cafecito with us, like
Yeah.
That's what we would like, for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
The food truck is hard work. We're like here, women in control.
It is.
Women empowerment, for sure.
That's
yes.
good.
Yes.
That's good.
It's the feminist market, so welcome.
Awesome. Thank you. I can't wait to try everything.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you guys.
All right. Thank you for being here. I'm excited.
Absolutely.
I didn't. This is a pleasant surprise, actually.
I know. You're kind of
Yeah.
like a little bit
I'm
of
like, oh my. I'm like, what is
a
this?
little touch, just a little touch. I always say con mucho amor. So like it touches like your heart a little bit. You're kind of like, I feel like I'm at my grandma's house.
Yeah.
That's the best compliment ever.
That's the best.
Yeah.
Grandma's cooking. Oh my God.
I'm
That is the best.
grandma. I don't know who it is, but
Yeah.
I will be.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you very
Pleasure.
much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Told you
Thank
she'd
you.
be good at it.
Yeah, definitely. She's great.
Thank you so much for having us. Thank you so much for stopping by.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, let's get in line here. Wow. Okay, so we ordered a bunch of stuff from that menu. They are super friendly, so friendly. I can't even express how friendly they are. So nice, hospitable. Everything is homemade, made from scratch. It's delicious. This is, I believe she said, the cilantro sauce, and this is the Pappa Rellena. Let's try it. I don't know what's in everything, so we're kind of trying these blind. Let's check this one out, guys. Can't wait. My mouth is watering. Can't even wait. This is the Pappa Rellena. I guess the translation is stuffed potato. Let's try this out. Let's try it by itself. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. The texture is like a fried mashed potato. Delicious. Amazing. I believe she said there was ground beef in here. Let's dig in a little bit more. You know, I always want more bites. I can't get one bite. Oh my God. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. You know, the potatoes are not fully mashed. There's some texture in there. There's little chunks of potato. There's the ground beef. I think I see like carrots in here too. Let me use my fork to get a little bit of the filling with the potato and hit it with this garlic sauce. Look at that garlic sauce. Homemade. No, not garlic sauce. What am I talking about? Maybe she said that. Cilantro sauce, I think it was. Let me hit it with the cilantro sauce. Look at that cilantro sauce. Oh my God. Man, it's even better. It's even better. Wow. Look at this. Let me dip. I don't want to dip everything in here. No cap. I want to dip everything in here. Wow. Wow. These are the croquetas. So we got one with black bean. I forgot what else was in it. And we got some spicy mayo here. Let me taste them by itself. They got kind of mixed up. So I don't know anymore which one's which. I believe the one that was more to the outside was black bean. So let me taste this one. Blind taste. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, these black beans are delicious. Almost like they're not refried beans, but maybe they mash them up a little bit. There's more than black bean in here. I can't taste everything, but everything's delicious. I can't make it out. The outside breading, crispy. Crispy. Let me dip this one in the mayo here. The spicy mayo that they made. Homemade too. Dip this right inside. See that? I was dripping. Oh my God. Tastes better than like a spicy mayo. Tastes better. Maybe he's got some crema in there too. A little bit tangy, spicy. Adds great flavor to this. This must mean that this one is the ham croquette. Ham croquettes, I believe in English. Oh God. Wow, take a look inside here. Got a lot of ham flavor. Wow, I need another bite. Let me get some of this spicy mayo here. Better. 1,000 times better. Wow. Oh man. I need one more bite. One more. Little bite. Little bite. Wow. Man. This is good. Everything's on point. I never had any of this before. That ham's delicious. It's got a smoky flavor to it. That's how you want your ham too. Oh, I forgot to close this up. You know, if you're married out there, you better do everything right. You better put everything back together how it was. Otherwise, you're gonna get in trouble. You know how it is. You don't want this sauce dripping anywhere. All right, heard that pop? One cool thing that they said is that they stamp each empanada so you know which one's which. And this one here, I don't know if you can make it out, but it says Ropa Vieja. This is their vegan option. This is made with jackfruit. I've never really had any vegan food. I've had vegan desserts, and I love them. I didn't have any issues with them. Really delicious. You can't even taste that you're missing, you're missing eggs, milk. You're not missing any of that. So this, I'm excited to try this out. Let's see how it is. Let's dig in. Look at that thumbnail. Wow, that's crunchy. Didn't get in there yet. But I love that dough. The dough's crunchy, it's got great flavor. You know what, it reminds me of like a the dough of like a fried wonton kind of. And I love wontons. That's delicious. Okay, I can't wait to dig in. Let's see. This next bite is gonna be the jackfruit. Little small 3 bites in now. Wow. Tastes really good. A little tangy. A little spice in there. Look at this. Wow. I see a red pepper sticking out. Wow. Very tangy. Great flavor. Layers of flavor. Layers of flavor in there. It looks meaty. Look at this. Could have fooled me. Let me get a little bite of this here. Tastes good. It has a texture very similar to meat, and also visually also. My first vegan food. Wow. I love it. I appreciate it. This is amazing. Wow. I'd have this again. All right, let's try the next one. Look at this. Let's find the, this is Gnarly Cuban. This is the Cuban sandwich. Look at this thing. All right, let's get a good bite in here. Wow. Look at the ham and cheese so far. Already delicious. I should quit while I'm ahead. That's awesome. Awesome. Great flavor. I love the ham they're using. Wow. Almost tastes like eggy a little bit. Like there's an egg in here. Like egg yolk, maybe it's just like, I'm looking in here. Cheese, ham, mustard. I see some pickles. Let's get one more bite. Let's get in deep here. Our ham, nice and smoky, great texture. Great texture, very crunchy. Wow. Amazing. Man, they're on point. Wow, Empanada game's fire. Wow. All right, let's go to the next one. This is a specialty of theirs. You can see right there, they stamped it with pumpkin. This is their pumpkin spice empanada. So they said this is like a deep fried cheesecake. I'm all for that. That sounds amazing. All right, let's try it out. Let's get a good bite in here. I feel like the first bite is always crunchy until you get into the filling. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Oh, look at this. So creamy. So pumpkin-y. I don't even know if that's a word. It tastes like pumpkin spice filling. It's awesome. Oh my God. Wow. Look in here. Wait, was this pumpkin spice flan? Because the texture is like flan. Yeah, okay. I was about to say, it's like a custard. Flan custard. You gotta get this. You gotta get a half a dozen of these. All right, the final one. This is the dessert. I got double dessert today. I'm a lucky guy. And it's lunchtime. I'm a lucky guy. Double dessert. This is the guava and cream cheese filling. I love guava and cream cheese desserts. Like these kind of like flaky pastries. So I have high hopes. Wow. This is nostalgic. Nostalgic for me. I remember going to like the supermarket or the bodega, and they used to have these, I think it was Entenmann's back in New York. Entenmann's, guava and cream cheese filling pastries. I'm pretty sure, I'm not be going crazy, but I remember eating that. But this is a million times better. A million times better. It tastes fresh. Wow. Wow. That guava jam, it's like a jam almost. Sweet, creamy, flaky, crispy. It's delicious, it's delicious. A little bite. All right, guys, that's it for the Bizarre Botanica Feminist Fair. Can't believe how much great food we found here. Incredible. We came here for one spot and we ended up trying how many? 1, 2, 3, like 5 different spots. It's crazy, and they're all great. They're all great. That's the crazier thing about it. I'm gonna put all their information in the description, and I'd love it if you guys would check them out too. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends and family. It really helps us out.